This channel is not monetized, therefore it does not collect data on its viewers. That being said, this is an adult channel. Hey, in this issue we'll be reviewing the Space Dock Special Issue. Built in the 2250s, Space Station, Earth orbit. It's over 3 miles high, or long. When I saw that this had arrived, I was very happy. I've always really enjoyed this design. So let's take a look at what's inside. Three miles long. Very nice. High above Earth, the sight of Space Dock's opening doors mark the start and end of many a Starfleet mission. Let's see here. How to make a vintage port. Introduced in Star Trek III, Earth's vast orbital space dock became an instant fan favorite that would feature in 4 big-screen adventures. Hey, check it out. An early ILM concept shows space dock in orbit of the moon and Earth in the background, and had a non-standard registry number of NC 701S. There's the office complex orbiting Earth in Star Trek The Motion Picture, and the USS Enterprise as it prepares to leave dry dock in the same film. I like that station design there too. In this concept painting, Space Dock had echoes of a 20th century satellite. As per ILM's efforts to keep their Star Trek work more rooted in reality than their equivalent effects for Star Wars. And I wholeheartedly concur, as Riker said in one episode. David Carson's concept sketch for an airport-style lounge inside the space dock shows a possible design direction for the USS Excelsior, visible through the huge windows. That looks like an Excelsior class of boats. Beams of light define the relationship between the space dock interior and the concept USS Excelsior in this design sketch. Oh. Let's see. There's the storyboard images. Oh, there's a monorail. Just like this thing. Two study models of Space Dock built by Bill George top and above, alongside the approved study model, combining favored elements from earlier versions. Look how big it was. Look how big the model was. Those guys standing there working on it. Is that a ship going into dock there? ILM technicians worked on neon lighting inside the full-size Space Dock exterior model prior to the addition of etched decorative panels. The completed interior model ready to be combined with blue screen Starship and shuttlecraft elements. In a finished shot, footage of the differently scaled miniatures are combined, with lighting effects also composited in to pull the disparate elements together. What shot? Dude, check it out. Look how big that is. ILM cameraman Robert Hill, standing, and Scott Farrar with the outer wall section of the interior model. The missing central column section could be moved in and out of the area where they were standing. Wow. Well, I guess it would have to be big because the Enterprise herself was big. The outside of the interior model dressed so that the only set of motorized doors could also be filmed from the outside, with all hidden workings moved to the inside once the interior shots were completed. Oh, I see. Huge model. Docking maneuvers. Star Trek is known for its beauty shots. Look at that. There's the Excelsior. In this shot, the two space dock models are combined via skillful compositing along with numerous other effects elements. A side view of the dressed outer section of the space dock interior model, which dwarfed the full-length exterior model. The completed effects shot of the space dock cafeteria and director Leonard Nimoy on the blue screen said at ILM. Note that the top of the window frames is a matte painting. Interesting. They also did the planet surface in Star Trek 3. There's the bar. Bill George took the opportunity to shoot space dock from a new angle in Star Trek 6. Well, footage from Star Trek 3 was reused to create a new shot of a much larger space station in orbit of the Tarsus 3 for the Next Generation, far right. And I think that's the Janolan. Yep, there's the D. Enterprise D coming in. A relatively small section of the interior wall of space dock as seen in Star Trek 4. What? A 1970s study model for an unused Enterprise design is visible inside the space dock interior at Star Trek 3, I'm sorry. Well, look at that. I did not know that. How about that, guys? Alright, let's crack this thing open. There's what she's looking at like now. Okay, let's take a good look at this thing. Got some good Aztecing. Those thin red lines. Pretty sweet. That styrofoam does not belong there. I love this design. When I first saw it, thank you, eaglemoss, for translucent parts. Got some good detail going there. Don't see any issues. That is not translucent part. That is just paint, blue paint. Check out that. Is that a dock? Oh, I love it. I love that little detail. Sweet. Looks like some sort of docking door. Man, I wish I had a Babylon 5 on the same scale. I'll get me a 3D printer one of these days and I'm just gonna go crazy. Don't really like those seams. The Aztecing's good. The only thing I don't like is the seams, and there's not much detail on these columns. Okay, here it is on its base, and I can tell you right now, this is not going to fly, I guess I should say. This is not. I can't trust that. I can't trust it, especially with this nice sized piece here. So I'm going to put some hot glue in that and let it dry before I mount it. Let that rest right there. And this is a lot better. I put some hot glue down here at the bottom here, so it's more stable. I even thought about putting some super glue in there. And you can see that these columns down here are crooked. But other than that, it's a nice model.